So I decided to learn software development starting from this year, 2025, February, and this is my journey. I began with Python, in which I learned the fundamental of almost all programming language, which are concepts like variables, array, loops, and functions. One mistake I made the first 2 months of Python was trying to remember all the syntax rather than understanding concept of how things work. Nevertheless, I got back on track and started learning concepts which brought me to OOP, which is Object-Oriented Programming. After about 4 months of learning Python and building a lot of projects while learning, I switched to C# to properly learn classes and deepened my knowledge of object-oriented programming. This knowledge helped me build projects. While learning Python, I was also learning HTML and CSS and acquired basic fundamentals for both, like page structure, type of list, schematics, form, input, button, grid, flex, and others that helped me build a basic static website. So by the time I started learning C#, I began to deepen my knowledge of HTML, CSS, and even started learning JavaScript, but just the basics. Once I was done with C#, I focused fully on HTML, CSS, JavaScript to build more dynamic sites that follows best practice. So basically, the main thing I learned for 2025 was Python, HTML, CSS, C#, JavaScript. In this exact order. I also learned many other things like SQL, which I did not implement in any of my projects, but I have some SQL project that I posted on my GitHub page. Then I also learned things like Git, GitHub for version control and collaboration. I also learned Netflix to publish most of my websites, .NET for C#, Node.js for JavaScript, and different other tools and libraries that was needed to carry out my productions of these different projects I posted on my GitHub page. My GitHub account. So in all, I think I can say 2025 was a well-productive year. So now let's look at what we have in store for 2026.